column chart basic. So I have downloaded this data. So this is the data. Now if you look here, it's saying that add a stacked column chart, right? So if I go just here, this is let's say we can add a stacked column chart, which is this one, right? And then if I just take the country, all right, and then I take average attendance, right? So average attendance on y-axis, and I just take average here, and I will just make this chart a little bit bigger. So you can see this is a basic chart for now, and if you want to format this, you want to format something. So let's see, it's saying that now make the following chart looks a little bit much better on x-axis label, make it bold, right? I will go on this tab, which is this format visual. I will go on x-axis, and then it's saying that x-axis label bold, right? Now this is the values and this is the label. If I just click on this bold, you can see the labels is now a little bit bolder, right? And it's saying that horizontal line of column color, your choice. So if I just go here on the columns, and now the column color is this blue, I just wanted to make it this color, so this is okay, right? And if you're saying that I can add borders also, and I can add, let's say border width is equal to 5, and I can change the color of the border to the pure black. This is how you can get, and you can add labels also here. So for example this, and what you can do here in the data label, you can just turn it on, and for the data labels, what you can do, you can either put all these labels above the chart, or you can put in between the chart. So for example here it's horizontal, and if I put this as vertical, it will show up like this, and position I will show just inside the center. So if I just make this chart a little bit bigger, you can see that now the values are in this format. So this is how you format your simple chart. Please try it, and do let me ask in comments if you are facing any issue. I will happy to help you. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.